Google just dropped something that nobody in the mainstream is talking about yet. It lets anyone create a fully navigable three-dimensional world just by typing a description. No code, no game engine, no team, just words. And the businesses that figure out how to use this first are going to have a serious edge. I'm going to show you what this tool actually does, how it works, and more importantly, the ways people are already starting to build real income around it. Hey there. So if you are new here, I am Nick Ponte's AI avatar. While the real Nick is busy helping businesses with Mina Marketing, Hawaii's fastest growing marketing agency, I am here dropping the latest AI hacks, tools, and money-making strategies. The real Nick reads every single comment on these videos, so make sure you comment below. And hey, if you are serious about landing some AI subscription-based customers, grab my 4-part AI fast track training that I am currently offering for free. The link is in the description. All right, now let us get into it. In August of 2025, Google DeepMind announced something called Genie 3. And then in late January of 2026, they launched Project Genie, the actual prototype, to Google AI Ultra subscribers in the United States. Here is what it does. You type a description of a world. Maybe a foggy forest at dawn, maybe a futuristic city with flying traffic, maybe a coastal property with a pool overlooking the ocean. Genie 3 reads your description and generates a fully interactive three-dimensional environment in real time. Not a video, not a static image, a world you can actually move through. It runs at 24 frames per second at 720p resolution. You control movement with your keyboard, and the model builds the path forward as you walk through it. It generates what is ahead of you in real time, based on whichever direction you choose to go. And when you are done exploring, you download a video of your session. Now I know what you are thinking. We have had AI image tools for years. We have Midjourney, we have Sora, we have all kinds of generative stuff. How is this different? The difference is interactivity. Everything else generates a fixed output. Genie 3 generates a living space that responds to where you go and what you do. InfoQ described it this way. Unlike OpenAI's Sora, which produces realistic video clips but cannot support real-time interaction, Genie 3 creates environments where you are actually moving through the world and the model is building it around you in real time. And there is something called promptable world events. This means after you are already inside a world you built, you can type a new command, make it rain, add a herd of deer, change the weather, and the world changes around you on the fly. That is not something any other tool is doing right now. Here is where things get interesting, and this is what I want you to pay attention to because most people are going to look at Genie 3 and immediately think game development. And sure, that use case exists, but it is also the most crowded, most technical, and hardest to monetize quickly. The people who are going to make real money with this early are the ones thinking about boring, expensive business problems. Not games, problems. A gym chain that needs virtual tours of their locations before a member commits. A commercial real estate company that wants to walk a prospective tenant through an unfinished office layout before construction is complete. An e-commerce brand that wants customers to explore product displays in three-dimensional space instead of flat photos. A hotel that wants to show guests what the property looks like in different seasons before they book. These are not niche ideas. These are active budget items at real companies that have no idea tools like Genie 3 even exist. That gap between what is possible and what businesses know about is where the money is. Let me walk you through the actual experience so you know exactly what you are working with. Project Genie runs through Google Labs, and right now it is available to Google AI Ultra subscribers in the United States. Here's where I want to be straight with you. Google AI Ultra is $249.99 a month. That is not a small number. And I think that framing matters a lot. This is not a hobbyist toy priced for casual experimenting. Google built this tier for filmmakers, developers, and creative professionals who need the absolute cutting edge. It also bundles in 30 terabytes of storage, YouTube Premium, and access to their most advanced video and image generation tools. But the honest framing is this: at that price, you are not paying for personal use. You are treating it as a business expense. And if you land even one client project using this, the subscription pays for itself several times over in a single month. You write your world description as a text prompt. Something like a modern luxury hotel lobby in winter with a fireplace and warm lighting. The system generates a sketch first, so you can preview the look and feel before committing. If it is close but not quite right, you adjust the description and try again. Once you approve it, Genie 3 builds the interactive version. You step inside and start moving. The world expands in real time as you walk through it. You can switch between first-person and third-person views. You can try a promptable event mid-exploration. And at the end, you download the video of your entire walkthrough. That video is your deliverable. For a client presentation, for a social media post, for a proof of concept before anyone spends money on expensive development. Quick pause. If you are finding this genuinely useful, do me a favor and hit that like button and drop a comment below. Nick reads every single one. And hey, listen, I'm going to keep going with more ways to actually use Genie 3 to serve clients, but if you want the full picture of how Nick structures AI services for real monthly paying clients, his free 4-part AI fast-track training covers all of it, including a free 30-day trial to the software he actually runs his agency on. That link is in the description. Okay, let us get back into it. Let me give you a real scenario so this clicks. Imagine you are a freelancer working with a boutique hotel. They are struggling to fill rooms in the off-season because their website only shows summer photos. You use Genie 3 to create interactive world tours of the property in autumn with warm fall lighting, in winter with a fireplace and cozy seating, and in spring with the outdoor patio. Now that hotel has 4 seasonal experiences rotating on their homepage. You charge $2,000 for the project. The hotel starts converting more bookings because visitors can actually feel the experience before they arrive. That is not a fake example. That is a real problem real hospitality businesses have and a real way this tool solves it. Or think about a construction company that needs to show new employees what a job site looks like before putting them in the field. Right now, they do that with slideshows and videos of other people working. With Genie 3, you build an interactive walkthrough of the site environment for safety training. They can explore it, move through it, and understand spatial relationships before ever stepping on location. I want to be straight with you here, because this is important. Genie 3 is not a game engine. Google has been clear about that. It is a research prototype. The Register quoted a Google spokesperson directly saying it is not designed to create a full game experience. The current version has real limitations. World sessions run for several minutes, not hours. Text inside the environments does not always render cleanly. Simulating real-world locations with precise accuracy is still a challenge. And complex physics interactions between multiple objects at once can get inconsistent. But here is the key insight. For demos, for client presentations, for proof of concept content, and for visual storytelling, none of those limitations actually matter. You do not need a 2-hour simulation to show a hotel client what their lobby could look like in December. You need 2 minutes, and Genie 3 gives you that right now. Genie 2, the previous version, could only sustain a world for 10 to 20 seconds at 360p resolution. Genie 3 runs for several minutes at 720p. That jump happened in a single generation of the model. The limitations that exist today are engineering problems being actively solved by one of the best AI research teams in the world. 6 months from now, those limitations will be smaller. But the window to build your expertise, land your first clients, and create case studies with this technology is open right now, not later. Now, the people who learn this tool during its early phase are the same ones who will dominate when it becomes mainstream. That is how every AI tool has worked. The ones building with Midjourney when it was rough are the ones charging premium rates for AI creative work today. Here is the practical approach. You do not need to be a 3D designer or developer to sell this. The skill you are selling is the ability to translate a business's vision into a navigable experience that their customers can actually feel. That is a creative and strategic skill, not a technical one. When you pitch this to a business, you are not selling them a tool. A hotel does not want to hear about Genie 3. They want more bookings in the off-season. A real estate developer does not want a tech demo. They want to close the sale on a unit before the building is finished. You are selling the outcome. Genie 3 is just how you deliver it. Start with one industry. Get one case study, one result. Document it. That becomes the proof you use to get the next client. Now here is where things go to the next level. Genie 3 is excellent for creating the visual experience, but to actually run a business around this, to manage client relationships, automate follow-ups, and build repeatable systems, you need the right platform behind you. The software Nick uses to run Mina Marketing handles everything from client communication to automated workflows and is what lets him serve hundreds of clients without everything falling apart. You get a free 30-day trial to it inside the AI Fast Track training in the description. Google did not build Genie 3 for hobbyists. They built it because they believe interactive world models are a critical path to the next generation of AI. You found out about this today. That puts you ahead of almost every business owner, marketer, and freelancer in your market. The question is whether you act on it. Go grab the free 4-part AI Fast Track training in the description. Nick walks you through how he structures AI services for real paying clients and how to build recurring income around tools like this. You also get a free 30-day trial of the main software he uses to run everything, and join the AI control room, thousands of other people building AI-powered businesses right now. Links are in the description and in the pinned comment below. Let Nick know in the comments that you are going to try Genie 3 this week. He reads every single one. See you in the next one.